human system has got a lot of bacteria. And bacteria, good bacteria and bad bacteria. You know, good bacteria and bad bacteria. And good bacteria, has got advantages. And bad bacteria will create lot of diseases. And likewise, there are so many worms. When we take food, when we take vegetables, with this food and vegetables, the worms will get inside to our system. Some worms will get killed while cooking the food, but some worms will not be killed even at very high temperature. And these worms which does not get killed will make health issues. It will stay in the intestine. When intestine has got this like worms, the worms like tapeworm, roundworm, like this, so many types of worms are there. And if these worms are getting inside the intestine, then these worms will not allow the intestine to work perfectly. If the intestine does not work perfectly, what will happen? We will get affected with the diarrhea. The motion which is present in the intestine, large intestine, will not be stored. It will be coming down always. So this bacteria, these worms will do that type of work. And another important bad impact of these worms are it will suck the nutrients which are to be absorbed by the intestine. See, whatever the food we take, it will be digested in our stomach. Digestion only is happening in the stomach, and the nutrients will be absorbed in the small intestine and the large intestine. There are two types of intestines. One is small intestine. So the digested food from our stomach will enter the next part of the digestive system, that is called the small intestine. There all the nutrients will be absorbed, and these nutrients will be sent to the internal organs which are all prepared for them. So that work will be taken place in the small intestine. And there are some work also to be taken in the large intestine. There also the nutrients present in the digested food will be absorbed. So this will happen in a healthy man and a healthy woman. No defect will be there if a man is so healthy, if a woman is so healthy. Suppose if a man is affected, or if a man's intestine is having this like worms, then these worms will not allow the small intestine and the large intestine to perform or to work properly. So we must kill those worms which does not allow the small intestine and large intestine. And this to eradicate these worms from the digestive system, government has introduced a scheme that once in 6 months, government will be supplying a tablet that is called albendazole. The albendazole tablet is responsible to kill all types of worms which injure our hygiene, which injure our health. So government has got 2 days, 2 important days. One day is in August and another day is in February. So every year, during the month of August as well as in the month of February, the National Deworming Day is celebrated in schools and colleges. Because you are a growing child, you are the youth, and you are the national asset of our country. So your health is much more important to our country. Your health is much more important for the development of our country. So taking care of your health, the government, both the central government as well as the state government, has introduced National Deworming Day. So in this deworming day, this nurse has come from a government hospital to supply you albendazole tablet. This is albendazole tablet. This albendazole is mainly responsible to kill all those worms which does not allow small intestine as well as the large intestine to perform properly. So here we will supply you this albendazole tablet. This is the deworming tablet. When you are in childhood, they will give this albendazole syrup. It will be given to you in the form of a syrup, liquid syrup will be supplied. So each and every child, this syrup will be, the liquid part of albendazole will be given. But since you are adult and you are able to swallow the tablet, the albendazole medicine is given in the form of a tablet. Okay, right. Then what is the ill effect of this worms? See, if our stomach is having such worms, this will not allow the intestine and small intestine as well as large intestine to perform properly. So as a result, we will not get a good appetite. It will suppress the appetite. We will not get the appetite feeling at a constant interval. We don't have our desire to have the food. We will not have the desire to have the food. See, by 8 o'clock we will feel hungry. And by 1 o'clock we will feel hungry. And in the evening by 8 o'clock and 7 o'clock we will feel hungry. If a person is having this worms, then he will not have any hungry feeling. So this is the loss of appetite will happen when our system is having this like worms. So in order to eradicate those worms, which are injurious to our health, the National Deworming Day is celebrated. This celebration is nothing but dancing or singing or talking anything like. No, not like that. Here, here the celebration is nothing but the swallowing of the tablet, the killing of the tablet. That is the celebration. Okay, this is like a Deepavali. This is like a Deepavali. In Deepavali, we kill the Narahasura, who is always having ill thoughts. Here, we are going to kill the worms which are present in our stomach. We don't know whether it is present there or not. We will not be knowing the presence of these worms. But if we take, see, sir, I don't have worms, sir, then I do not want to take this pill. No problem. Sir, should I take the pill even if you don't have the worms? Will it affect my health, sir? No, it won't affect. If you are having the worms like this tapeworm and this another hookworms, then it will be killed. And even if you don't have any such worms in your digestive system, it won't affect it. Taking the pill won't affect your normal. Okay, so everyone should take these pills, and the process of taking is nothing but you have to chew the tablet. You have to chew the tablet. You should not swallow the tablet. This is a chewable tablet. This is a chewable tablet, like chewing gum. Chewing gum, like that you have to now do like that. Okay, so you will now, we will supply this tablet, one tablet to each and every students, and get the tablet and chew the tablet and send the juice to inside. Okay, this will kill all those worms, right? Okay, இதை ஒவ்வொரு கல்லூரியிலையும் ஒவ்வொரு பள்ளிக்கூடத்திலையும் கொண்டுட்டு போய் இதை கொடுக்க போகிறாங்க. அதில் இன்னைக்கு நம்ம காலத்தில் வந்துருக்குறாங்க. இட் வில் பி சப்ளைட் டு ஆல் தி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், okay? So it is separate to maintain your good health only. Okay, come on, come one by one. This is chewable tablet.
So the tablet carton.
Tablet
carton.
Come, who comes first? Yes. Good. What's your name? Yes. Next, jump. Next. Come on.
Photo plus video plus photo sir. Girls வாங்கப்பா.
Girls, who's coming forward? Yes, good. Photo. Okay.
Okay sir.
Dear students, if you have any health issues because of the presence of these like worms, then your parents will take you to the doctor. The doctor will charge about 500 or 200 or 300 consulting fees. Here, without any consulting fees, we are giving you the proper treatment. Okay? Come on. Yes.
போங்கம்மா அந்த பொண்ணு போங்கம்மா.
Yes, please. Come.
போங்க நல்ல மாதிரி தான் போங்க. ஓகே சார்.
Bye, தம்பி வாயா. Next வா.
நெக்ஸ்ட் போ தம்பி போ.
வா பிக் அப். அப்படியே எடுங்க. வாயில போட்டு வா. வா. போடா. வாயில போடு.
ஓகே சூப்பர்
Next.
சூப்பர்.
Next.
வாழ்த்துக்கள். வாயில போட்டுக்கப்பா. அதெல்லாம் கிடையாது போட்டு ஆகணும் அப்படி பொங்கல் போ.
Okay. Thank you. மற்றவங்களை வாங்கிக்கங்க.